Even Whiskey MC would approve this seagull. Matt Illuminate. Wow. And Whiskey MC. Whiskey MC. Thing scares me. Who actually goes to places to record seagulls?
We do.
Yeah, I've actually been doing it before drugs.
Yeah.
Wait for it, wait for it. It'll be worth it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Can you hear me, bitch? Shit. That's one fucking angry bitch. Yo, Holmes. It's happening on the east side, you know what I mean? You can hear the hardcore vibe, can't you, Seagull? Can you hear it all? Can you hear the hardcore? When I say yeah, you say yeah. When I say woo, you say woo. Oh my God.
He's a bit
When I say ooh, you say ooh. Oh! Oh! He said it. In the end, he says it. Oh! Oh! When I say yeah, you say yeah. Yeah. Give me a yeah. No, yeah. Fuck you.